Assalamualaikum, hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fayaz Academy. Today is my topic study of welding transform. It is a step down transform which provides electric supply for welding. It provides high current of different range 50 500 on low voltage 515 type. Usually there are two types. Most ways primary welding. In this type different output value are saved with closing and away the primary and secondary windings. Usually primary winding is possible for moving the winding and adjusting. Screw is used on which a handle or wheel is attached. When primary winding is exactly closed with secondary winding, then the maximum current is available on output and vice versa. In the method, different tapping are taken from secondary winding of transformer. I am selecting both. Tapping can be connection with the selector which through which different current range are available on the end of secondary winding. Our transformer is connecting with workpiece as shown in a following figure. Starting of signal phase indication motors rever and forward. Signal phase motors are not self-starting for its rotation, and expansion welding is also used on motor storage. Usually a caption is connected in series which accessory winding. To rotate the water indices, discuss its connection are changed with a changeover switch. Aperture signal fast caption star motors. Number 2 power supply. Number 3 changeover switch. Number 4 connection leads. Producers connect the motor to signal phase supply through the changeover switch. Number 2 switch on the power supply, motor will be start. Number 3 now switch off the power supply and change the direction. Now change over switch. Number 5 turns off the power supply after some time. Operation all connection must be neat, clean and tight. Number 2 do not make or break any connection when supply is on. Number 3 motor should be earthed. Number 4 all the connections must be checked by the teacher before starting it. Connection of measure stored with motor. Manual start connection of on off push button. Thermal overload related by magnetic counter with normally open no and normally closed, and see contents. It is used to start be stop the motor as well as when motor is overloaded, then it shows the motor. Operation manager is conducting secret break 3 people on a push button. Number 4 motor reverse. Number 5 connection lead. Number 6 overload relay. Number 7 toolkit. Connection the operation according to the secret diagram. Number 2 push on push button setting goal will be indicated on off connection will be closed and motor will be start to run. Number 3 now on push button may release, then exciting through node connections which is now closed. Motor will still be run. Number 4 to step the motor, press off push button, exciting coil will be setting connection, connecting will be operation and motor will be off. Number 5 if the supply may be off or motor may be overloaded, then exciting coil will be de-exciting and motor will be off. Same as operation particle number 10. I hope you like my video and subscribe my channel. Share my links with other family members and friends.